So, I'm in a little bit different environment, obviously. This is Rick's garage, Rad Garage, to be specific. And we are working on this. This is not your ordinary grocery getter. This is a wicked SQ5. Here we go. Rick, what's going on?
Hey.
So what have we done so far?
Well, we just laid, so far, I washed it, decon. You helped me polish this using NSP45. And now we're laying down Nano Resin Pro by Dr Beasleys.
There we go. So
arguably the most scientifically advanced coating on the planet.
Ooh, that's exciting. I'll grab the bottle and show. It's quite the process. We're just gonna get some good lighting on that. That is not good lighting right there. But very cool stuff. So yeah, the car is looking good.
Very good.
Do a quick walk around.
I think this is still a little too I'm gonna wait a little bit longer.
So we used the Nano Surface Primer 45, which actually made this paint really pop. I was surprised. It worked really, really well. You work it, you can work it for days, and be pretty happy with it.
Honestly, from this angle, I have never seen my headlight lens that clear. I actually have never really even noticed. Like, it's an unbelievable polish. It's super polished.
Hello everyone, day 2, we're rocking the Rad Garage shirt. Today we're gonna be knocking out the Nano Resin Pro from Dr Beasleys. Got the car all dialed in. Looking mighty fresh. We added the builder on last night. So Rick, are you well rested, fresh, ready to go?
I'm very well rested, I'm well fed. I'm very much looking forward to this.
Yeah, thanks to our friends at Tim Hortons. Have our caffeine intake ready to go. And a wonderful bagel belt and English muffin. So I'm really looking forward to laying down this coating. We were gonna hammer it out yesterday, but you know, the relaxing vibes of the garage and Rad's videos translated into our evenings. So took it a bit easy, you know, we're in no rush. So happy Father's Day to the fathers out there, and we're ready to lay down some sauce, so stay tuned. All right, day 2 is wrapped up. We're all done the project. SQ5 looking better than new. That coating was something else.
Yeah.
Definitely not your first coating to do, but super fun either way. The Nano Resin Pro is what it was from Dr Beasleys. So Rick was getting some one-on-one training when he was down in Chicago, and looked like a super cool experience. If I said I didn't have a bit of FOMO from that, I'd be lying.
Yeah.
But how was it overall for you? What did we do?
Well, we wiped on a liquid and we wiped it off.
Yeah.
Right? Like at the end of the day, but we did it.
Yeah.
We did a lot of it. So one thing I noticed was like the actual liquids themselves, you could tell they were more potent.
Yeah, they were.
There
very
was
sticky.
way less carrier agent. It was more content. The takeoff wasn't nearly as challenging as I thought it would be.
Yeah.
I don't know what that, maybe we had the perfect conditions, but you did have to be patient.
Yeah.
And we kept saying the mantra over and over again, frequency, not force.
Yeah, exactly.
And then we switched up, we started using a plush towel
Yep.
to finish. We were using a
pearl weave.
pearl weave, yeah.
For the leveling of the coatings.
Yeah, and that did a good job of leveling it and getting
big
some
time.
of it up, but yeah, it was a lot of work because we laid down 2 coats of the paint surface. Oh, what's it called? The builder.
Yep, the builder. Yep.
And then the coating itself. But the coating itself spread kind of, like I said it a couple times, like strawberry jam.
Yeah, it was very, very thick. And you know what's going on. And I mean, with the Daytona gray, it's an easy color to see the coating onto, which is a big help.
Yeah, it was.
Especially when you're kind of laying on the floor doing the doors and the bumper and all kinds of different spots. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. But again, like I said, it's definitely not the first coating you want to do if you've never done one before.
Yeah.
But super fun, and you know, we polished it with the NSP45, which, you know, we had heard from people that it was going to be kind of sticky and a nightmare, and it really wasn't.
Not at all.
Worked well in the PPF, corrected that. The coating worked well in the PPF, and we took our time. You know, it was about a day and a half total of what we did. So super fun, just kept it relaxed, and you know, it's nice when you don't have to rush. and get the car out immediately. So
totally. Yeah, I was impressed with that NSP 45. You came across a few Micro Mars or here and there.
Just a couple.
It had the cutting ability that we needed, but really it's like it finished. Well, it's a finished polish.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and the paint was in pretty good shape to begin with.
Thank you.
I mean, definitely, definitely work within what you see. I mean, obviously, if it's a hammered car, you're gonna have to jump up to the 95. If it's really bad, and mess around, but just have fun. Have fun with some different pads, try things out, and go crazy with it. So, but yeah, that's a wrap on this project. Again, Rick has said in his video that there's not a lot of projects where he's had help with, so I feel very honored to be able to work on this beautiful machine. But it seems like I'm doing something right.
Well, you're a worker too, man. Yeah. I think I did a third. You did 2/3 of this project. Yeah. He's younger though, everybody.
That's true.
I got a few years on him, but thanks for coming up, buddy.
You bet. Thanks for having me. So greatly appreciate it. So
all right,
cool. Stay rad, everyone.
Stay rad.